This tutorial describes how to customize bell schedules at your school. Setting bell schedules is used to define attendance. It's not relevant if you're in elementary school or in a college setting. Jupyter can accommodate rotating schedules as well as block schedules. To set up bell schedules, go to Admin mode and then to Schedule, Bell Schedules. Here you'll see the bell schedules for your school. In this case, there's only a single bell schedule. For each period, you can see the start and the end time for the period. Click and you can make changes to the start or end time. Note the minutes are reflected immediately. You can click Add Row to add another row or Delete Row to delete it. Once you've set up your bell schedules, you can go to Schedule School Days. Here you can define the holidays and staff days throughout the year. Note that you can click any day to decide staff day or holiday and apply it. This is so teachers won't have to take attendance for that day. We recommend setting all of the holidays and staff days throughout the year using your school calendar at the beginning of the year. Next, go to Schedule, Sections. Here you will see a list of all the classes and teachers at your school. You can click any section and change the period to adjust the period for that class. Likewise, you can click the section and select multiple in order to use the checkboxes to select multiple periods. Once you click Done, you can see all of the periods for all of the classes for the term. You can also use the bell schedule feature to define rotating or block schedules. Go to Schedule, Bell Schedules, and you can see you can set up as many bell schedules as you would like. In this case, there's a Tuesday, Thursday, and a Monday, Wednesday, Friday schedule. You can click New to create a new schedule. Type in the name, and you'll see it displayed there. In this case, the Tuesday, Thursday schedule has the 4 periods in the day, as well as a TH, which can be added as a prefix or suffix. The Monday, Wednesday, Friday schedule has a prefix or suffix, in this case, MWF. Note that the HR and lunch periods are on each day, whether Monday, Wednesday, Friday, or Tuesday, Thursday. So they're on both schedules with no prefix needed. If you would like to delete a schedule, simply click it and then delete, or you can rename it here. Once you have set up the bell schedules for your school, go to Schedule, School Days. Here, you can click any date to change the bell schedule to a different one, or you can use the Bulk Edit button to set each weekday to a particular bell schedule. Once you have set up your schedules and added any holidays, go to Schedule, Sections. Here you can see the schedule at your school. Click any section, use the period menu to select the period, or click multiple and you can use the checkboxes to select multiple periods. Jupyter can accommodate many different types of schedules, including an A/B day schedule, as well as a different schedule for each day of the week. See our help guide for more details on how to set these up.